Every blockchain needs a security guard to make sure no one tampers with the records. That guard is called a cryptographic hash. Sounds fancy? Don't worry, let's break it down with a simple analogy. Think of a hash like a digital fingerprint or a magic shredder box. You put in any data, a word, a file, or even a whole block of transactions, and out comes a unique string of letters and numbers of fixed length. For example, the word hello might produce the code like this, but change just one letter to hello with a capital H, and the entire fingerprint changes completely. Two key properties make hashes special. Deterministic, the same input always produces the same output. Avalanche effect, even a tiny change in input drastically changes the output. This means hashes can instantly reveal if data has been tampered with, like a photocopy of your ID that changes if someone alters a digit. On the blockchain, every block has a unique hash that represents all its data. Change even a single transaction, and the hash changes completely, like an alarm going off. Here's where it gets clever. Each block also contains the hash of the previous block. This creates a secure chain of blocks, the blockchain. If someone tries to change block 5, its hash changes, but block 6 still points to the old hash, causing a mismatch. To hide this, the attacker would need to change every block after that, simultaneously across thousands of computers, which is practically impossible. Hashes aren't just random strings, they're generated by strong, one-way cryptographic functions. You can't reverse engineer the original data from the hash, which keeps blockchain data secure and private. So, think of cryptographic hashes as the blockchain's security guard. They give every block a unique digital fingerprint, link the chain together, and make tampering nearly impossible.